Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Ramadan's special cheese chicken triangle paratha recipe without dough. With frozen paratha, you don't have to make a dough. It's very simple and easy recipe, anyone can make it. Served with tamarind sauce. Butter 2 teaspoon. Oil 2 teaspoon. Onion 1 cup. Saute few seconds. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic 2 teaspoon. Saute 1 minute. Shredded chicken 1.5 cup. Green bell pepper 1/2 cup. Green chili 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Cook 2 minutes. Fresh coriander leaf is required. Done. Frozen paratha. Fry 1 minute both sides. Cook chicken as required. Cheddar cheese on top. Make a triangle shape. Flip over. Oil 2 teaspoon. Done. Garnish with coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.